Hello, dear children. Welcome to Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College. Dear children, today we are going to learn subject Geography for Standard 7th. Dear children, here is lesson number 6, Natural Reasons. Children, learning outcomes of the lesson to understand the adaptation of the living organism according to the physical setup, to understand the different natural regions with their location and extent, climate, natural vegetation, animal life, and human life. Children, today we are going to learn about natural region. Children, there are differences in terms of landforms, climate, soils, etc. in different parts of the world. These differences is mainly due to the availability of sunlight and water in that region. Children, the availability of sunlight and water keeps on changing from the equator to the poles. You might have studied this in the previous standard. Differences in landforms, climate, and soil greatly influence the flora, fauna, and human life and give rise to variations in the biodiversity in different parts of the world. Dear children, on the other hand, there are similarities of climate, vegetation, and animal life in different continents that spread between certain latitudes. This similarity stands out as the distinctive features of these regions, as this region stands out on the basis of natural factors. They are called natural regions. So, dear children, today we are going to study about these natural regions. So, children, we will study with the tundra region. Location and extent. It is between 65° to 90° parallel. Greenland, North Canada, North Europe, and North Asia are the part of tundra regions. The climate of tundra region is mean summer temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, mean winter temperature approximately minus 20 to minus degrees Celsius, mean annual rainfall of this region is 25 to 300 millimeter. It is very cold climate over here. So, dear children, short-lived vegetal life, short grasses, small shrubs, flowers, lichens, moss, all this we are able to see here in the tundra region. These are said to be a natural vegetation. Animal life of tundra region, we can found here caribou, reindeer, etc. Polar bears, foxes, walrus and seals are also seen here. Animals with soft, thick fur we can see here in the tundra region. Human life of tundra region. Dear children, hunting and fishing are the main occupation. Hide tents, igloos, this type of a houses can found here. Use of sledges are here. Eskimo peoples, their life is very tough. Population distribution is highly very sparse. Children, now we will study about taiga region. Location and extent of this taiga region. Approximately between 55° and 65° north parallels from Alaska to the Atlantic coast and some part of Eurasia. The climatic condition of taiga region is in the summer temperature is 15° to 25° Celsius. Winter temperature is below 0° Celsius. Mean annual rainfall is between 300 to 500 millimeter. Rainfall in summer, after that snowfall in winter. Natural vegetation of taiga region. Dear children, we can see coniferous forest which leaves are very narrow and also pointed. Branches are leaning towards the ground. Wood is light and very soft. Dear children, spruce, fir, pine, then redwood, etc. are the type of the trees in a coniferous forest. Now we will move towards the animal life of taiga region. Dear children, the animal they have very soft and thick fur. Caribous, elks, then ermine, beavers, silver fox, minks, bears, etc. are the animals found in the taiga region. Children, now we will study about human life of taiga region. Population is very less here. Lumbering and hunting are major occupation of people. Few agrarian activities are also found over here in taiga region. Children, the next natural region is grasslands. But these regions are also said as grasslands of steppes and parares. Dear children, location and extent of this region is in between 30° and 55° north and south parallels in the interior parts of the continent. Climatic condition of this region is in summer temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. In winter temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius. Dear children, mean annual rainfall of this region is 400 to 600 millimeter and rainfall mostly during summer season. Children, natural vegetation of grasslands. Extensive grassland ranches are seen here. Even we can see the short grasses growing in lumps. Grass gets dried up in winter season. Elder, poplar trees are also found in this region. Now we will study about the animal lives of grassland regions. First we will see about the wildlife. In the wildlife it includes deers, horse, dogs, wolves, bison, rabbits, hares, kangaroos and dingoes. In the domestic animals like sheep, goats, cattle, horses, donkeys are also found here. Children, we will see now the human life of grasslands region. The rearing animal is the main occupation here. Even few people are also doing the agricultural activity. They grow wheat in their farm. Earlier, people had a nomadic life. They lived in hide tents. Kyrgyz peoples are now no more nomadic. Now they stay in well built houses. We will move towards the next region, that is hot desert region. Location and extent of this region is in between 20° and 30° north and south parallels in the western part of continent like Sahara, Colorado, Atacama, Kalahari, Thar, etc. Climatic condition of this desert: mean summer temperature is 30 degree to 45 degrees Celsius. Mean winter temperature is 20 degree to 25 degrees Celsius. Tremendous heat and very low rainfall we can observe in this region. And also nights are very cold. Natural vegetation of hot desert region. Dear children, thorny bushes with hardly any leaves we can see in the hot desert region. Leaves are narrow, oily, and have thick barks. Once moisture in soil is consumed, these plants get die. Example: cactus, sisal, palm, date palms, etc. Children, we will study about animal life of hot desert region. Children, camel. Camels survive for days without water. There are number of animals that living on the ground is very less. Dear children, in daytime they live inside the ground. This type of animals are snakes, rats, lizards, scorpions, etc. There are some domesticated animals also. They are horse, donkey, sheep, oxen, etc. Children, now we will study about the human life of hot desert region. Bedouins, they are found in Sahara, then Bushmen, they found in Kalahari, and Aborigines, they are found in Australia. These are the types of people who live in the hot desert region. Dear children, most of the needs are get fulfilled through their animals only. But agriculture is also confined to river valleys and oases. Today we learn about taiga region, tundra region, grasslands, steppes and prairies, then hot desert region. Remaining other natural regions we will study in next part. In today's assignment, that question number 1 from page number 37. You have to write in your classwork notebook. So, dear children, I hope you have understood the taught topic, and then also if you have any queries, please let me know about it. Thank you very much.